Hello, in front of me I've got Snapchat. In this video I'll show you how to limit Snapchat screen time. In the beginning, on Android, you can go to Settings, Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls, App Limits, Snapchat, and Set App Limit. App limit is set for 3 hours. If you want to do it on iPhone, go to the settings, apps limits, add limit, select Snapchat and select timer. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.